Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really special knife unboxing to share with you guys. I'm sure you can read the box, which says Stump Lifter, and if you're familiar with what that is, then you know exactly. If you're familiar with what it is, then you know what it is. This is a knife that was designed by Advanced Knife Bro. It is, well, I think it's available right now. Don't come after me if they go out of stock. I have nothing to do with that, but I will link it down below. You guys can check it out. It comes in a few different colors. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So I bought this. I thought it was, number one, I think it's cool when, if you're not familiar with Advanced Knife Bro, I'm sure that everybody who's watching this is subscribe to Advanced Knife Bro, but if you're not, please go subscribe to Advanced Knife Bro. His content and the quality are just so much better than mine. It's a journey to go over there and experience his content. But I consider him a friend. He and I talk quite often on Instagram, and so when I found out that he was doing his own knife design, I was all in without knowing what it was. But when I figured out what it was, I thought, oh, cool, because normally I don't collect stuff like this. I don't go after stuff like this. Sometimes I do, but it takes a real special one. It takes a real interesting one to get me to actually pull the trigger on it. So I know, shut up, open the thing up so we can see it. It's so cool, man. I know that you can get slip joint style knives in green, right? But this, almost like nuclear emerald green. God, that is really nice. I am not the biggest fan of traditional knives, but there's just enough modern here, and the fact that, I mean, knowing that Advanced Knife Bro is so unbelievably particular about designs and what he's after and what he's looking for, I feel like everything that I might complain about with a slip joint knife is probably taken care of in this design. But first and foremost, it's really cool, the stump inlay there. First and foremost, the green bone, or the green dyed bone, was the version that I wanted. I thought that looked really cool. I like the size of it. Man, the overall fit and finish of this is really beautiful. That is just really, really nice. Look at that. Sometimes with certain brands, I'm not going to name names, but sometimes I stop at certain outlets and I look at popular brands of slip joint knives, and I'm like, they're okay, but the fit and finish is not my favorite thing in the whole world, but this looks really nice. Now, I just asked him, right before I started recording this video, I just asked him who's the OEM, and I didn't get an answer, but I'm sure he's busy. By the time that you guys are watching, maybe you know. If you know, leave it in the comment section down for everybody else. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. But let's go ahead and, oh boy, he does have, this is what I check. I like to check that snap, and I like to know that there's a solid section right here where the blade comes out at 90 degrees, and it's solid. It doesn't wiggle. It doesn't get stuck at a weird angle, right? Oh, and the snap into the open position is beautiful. Something else I like, two things. Number one, the super deep nail nicks. I don't like I don't know about you guys. I don't like peeling my fingernails off of my finger when I try to open a knife like this, right? So it's the combination of a couple of things. Number one, the depth, the ability to get at the nail nick. And number two, the amount of force it requires to open the knife. This seems to be, golly, just about perfect. That's really nice. Here's the other thing I like, that I didn't realize. I think this is hollow ground. Yeah, wow. That is cool. So I believe these are 154 cm, which you guys know is right up my alley. I think that's great. Now, what do we have down here? The only thing that matters on the other side of a knife like this is a combination bottle opener, can opener, flathead screwdriver. At least that's what it looks like to me. Honestly, I don't need much else in a slip joint knife. This is listen, I'm going to carry this. I'm going to buy a slip for this and carry it because I love the idea of a simple, let's say, about the most perfect hollow ground 154 cm traditional blade I've ever seen in my life. And the fact that he's comboed it with pretty much the only, I'm honestly, I'm not going to use if that is the idea there, just because of that point, I assume can opener. Maybe not. Maybe that's not the case. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. You can tell how often I use a can opener on a pocket knife. Obviously not often enough to be able, as would be required to be able to identify it. Totally necessary number of syllables there in that description. But the fact that we have a flathead screwdriver and, more importantly, a bottle opener on an object like this. Boy, and that extends here. Another deep nail nick, which is nice. Just about the right level. I kind of like a little bit of a harder pull, as long as I can get my fingers in there, because I like the idea of the blades, or the tools and blades, staying in place. But also, once again, that solid middle section, whatever we call that, and then a hard snap into the open position. Beautiful. Nice thick pill body here, contoured. I like that. I don't like things feeling, overly dainty. Can still easily close this with one hand. Boy, he really got this. I think listen, so he does it in the other options, as far as I understand, are blue, sort of a denim, maybe not a denim, it's more of a rich blue, and then like a gold or like a rich yellow. And I think all of the colors are super cool, but this green, however you chose, if Advanced Knife Pro is watching, however you chose this shade of green, I don't think you could go one direction up or down on the shade scale and get it more perfect. This is perfect. Look at that transition from this area. It's not really a bolster, right? It's a frame. Transition from the frame to the scale here is beautiful. And of course, can't believe we haven't talked about this. These are Torx, so you can get in there if you want to. It does run on washers, which is nice. I can't believe that's hollow ground. I just wasn't expecting that. I don't think that's super common on even modern traditionals. Where's my paper? Yeah, just like that. I know it doesn't prove much. I just want to give it a little slice of Ruski here. By the way, I don't think the price on these is bad at all, considering how these are made and the materials, and just, look at this. This is just cool. Even if you're not into, jeez. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. What a laser beam. Oh, golly. That might be the cleanest slice. It's certainly the cleanest slice I've made all year. Joke, but definitely some of the cleanest slicing that I have. Man, I'm gonna try and bite in at the tiniest angles. Look at this. You understand? Look at this. That's wild. That is a razor sharp little blade there. Yeah, that's about as perfect as it gets. I don't know that I've ever handled a slip joint, traditional or modern traditional, that I've liked, at least on first impressions, more than this. Does this not look good? It honestly looks like it's irradiated. as if that should be appealing. But yeah, no, this is like Hulk green. Man, that is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, I'm going to carry that. That's going to be probably my go-to. Might be my go-to dinner knife now, my go-to social gathering knife. Just, the fact that it's a fun, classic slip joint style blade, but also the fact that it's got a bottle opener on the back of it. I just think that's cool. Very cool. This will get a review. I'd like to carry it and use it for a bit. In the meantime, I will link it. They're at least on Blade HQ, perhaps some other retailers. I'll link it wherever I can. You guys should definitely check this out. Very, very cool. I have zero complaints. First impressions, I have no complaints or critiques. So, awesome stuff. Thank you to Advanced Knife Pro for designing this and creating it, bringing it to the knife world. It's nice to have something like this on the channel because I have essentially nothing like this here. So, yeah, awesome stuff. All right, that's going to be it today, guys. Links in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.